everybody, and welcome back to Silver Octagon Technologies. And in this video, I'm going to be discussing and going over project updates on SD1, the 3D printed robot. First things first, let's start off with the circuits designed for each hand. And basically what the circuit does is it controls 4 servos on each hand, and the thumb servo, because this servo here is specific for just the thumb opening and closing, and this servo here is specific for these 3 fingers, but they work together whenever I move the analog or the potentiometer to open and close the hand. The opposable thumb servo is separate, and the wrist is. So these boards are going to fit directly into the chest plate like this and attach to these Arduinos. And well, Arduino, I'm gonna have another one right here, and the other board will sit right here. And I'm gonna tidy up all the wires and everything. It's gonna be real professional, and it's gonna sit right here attached to these. And I'm going to run cords for each controller down to the main controller, which is over here. But see, this is just temporary. This is just hot glued to cardboard, and I'm going to 3D print a nice controller once I'm finished prototyping anyway. So yeah, and I have to get some wire that's long enough out of my reserves to string these up and make it to where it's nice and pretty. And once that's established, and once I have everything situated, oh, one more thing. These adjustable voltage regulator modules right here are going to sit inside the chassis and attach to that circuit, because basically what happens is I'm using an 11-volt battery and distributing power between the potentiometers, or in the other circuit, the joystick. And so what it does is it's a step-down voltage converter, so I'm allowed to drop the voltage to the point where it runs properly with the servos, the servo cluster. And so it's going to look really pretty, especially when everything's lit up. It's going to look really nice, and I can't wait for that. And as I was saying, once that's established, I'm then going to proceed testing. So the first thing I'm really excited about and that I want to do is pick up objects with each hand, and just conduct a lot of testing. So in the next video, I hope to have this chest plate wired up and the hands wired up and conduct some testing. And that's it for now, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment. Tell me how you felt about it.